video we are going to discuss factor theorem. Now consider the polynomial p of x divided by ax plus b, which is a linear expression. So we know that when p of x is divided by ax plus b, then it can be written as ax plus b, which is the divisor, times q of x, which is your quotient, plus the remainder. As it is remainder, and we know that the degree of, it is divisor, as we know the degree of remainder is always less than the degree of divisor, so it's a linear expression. So less than linear expression in degree will be a constant number, so which is denoted by r as the remainder. Now we are going to see whether this polynomial p of x is divisible by ax plus b or not. If, for example, we know that 9 is divisible by 3, so 3 is a factor of 9. We know that 12 is divisible by 4, so 4 is a factor of 12. Why they are divisible? Because when divided, it leaves a remainder of 0. Now, first find, it is your divisor, first find root of ax plus b, which is equal to 0. X is equal to minus b over a. Now, I replace this minus b over a in the equation. So it will be p of, minus b over a minus b over a is equal to a times minus b over a plus b q of minus b over a plus the remainder. Now, let's see what happens here. A cancel out each other. Minus b plus b will be 0, so this will be 0. Overall times q, which is your quotient, will be 0. So p of minus b over a will be r. So it means that if r is 0, then ax plus b is a factor of p of x. So how can we find this remainder? By just substituting the root of your divisor into the polynomial. Now let's see an example in this regard. Use factor theorem to show that x minus 3 is a factor of x cubed plus 2x squared minus 16x plus 3. Now, so when it says it's a factor of this expression, this polynomial, I should show that the remainder will be 0. So how do we find the remainder? I first find the root of divisor, so x will be 3. Then I replace it here. So I label it, for example, p of x. So I find p of 3, which is equal to 3 cubed plus 2 times 3 squared minus 16 times 3 plus 3, which is equal to 27 plus 18 minus 48 plus 3, which is 0. So remainder is 0. It means that x minus 3 is a factor of our polynomial p of x. Now let's see another example in this regard. Given that, example 2, given that 3x squared plus 5x minus 2 is a factor of 3x cubed plus 17x squared plus ax plus b. Then find the value of a and so it is your divisor, and I label it p of x. I call it out. So I first factorize 3x squared plus 5x minus 2, which will be after factorization, it will be 3x minus 1 times x plus 2. Now I put it equal to 0. It gives you x is equal to 1 over 3 and minus 2 as the So I replace them one by one in the polynomial. P of 1 over 3 will be equal to 3, then 1 over 3 to the power of 3, then it will be replaced in the second one as well, plus 17, 1 over 3 to the power of 2, plus 8 times 1 over 3, plus b. Then I find p of minus 2, which is equal to 3 times minus 2 to the power of 3 plus 17 times minus 2 x squared plus 8 times minus 2 plus b. After simplifying, you will get two equations. One of them will be at the end it will become p of 1 over 3 is equal to, it will be 1 over 9 plus 17 over 9 plus a over 3 plus b, then p of negative 2 will be, it will be minus 24 plus 6a minus 2a plus b. Then it will become 2. Then after simplifying, you will have two equations, a plus 3b is equal to minus 6, and the second one will give you the equation 2a minus b is equal to 44. After solving the simultaneous equations, you will have A is equal to 18 and B will be negative 8. Thanks for watching.